Hey everyone, and welcome back to Investing Guide. In this video, we're going to talk about what the huge warning that Elon Musk tweeted for ADA holders was. As everyone knows, Elon Musk is the visionary founder of Tesla and other companies, and is hailed as one of the greatest entrepreneurs of our time. Cryptocurrency has caught his attention, and at one time, he even indicated that Tesla would start accepting Bitcoin, although his side has since walked away on that statement. Musk is undoubtedly a genius, so what he thinks about cryptocurrency will be of interest to all crypto investors. Stick around until the end of the video to find out what Musk thinks of the potential future of cryptocurrency, and the huge warnings he has for all ADA investors and supporters. Before we start, if you like this type of content, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you can never miss out on any new updates in the world of investing. Now let's take a look at the current state of the crypto market. Well, as a whole, it's been declining, with many major cryptocurrencies showing general decreases in their prices. Cardano ADA has continued on a slight downward trend, although the price has stabilized to a great extent over the past week, currently hovering at around the 88-cent mark, meaning Cardano is currently sitting as the 7th largest coin in terms of market capitalization at the time of this recording. Cardano has been holding relatively steadily over a declining period, but it has declined sharply over the past couple of weeks. This suggests that the worst may be over. Although global issues continue to affect financial markets, the cryptocurrency industry in general has continued to decline. Investors know firsthand that the cryptocurrency market is famously volatile, and so they're willing to ride out the storm in order to gain a long-term advantage. The price of Cardano has been decreasing at a much lower rate than previously thought. The price is at a fraction of what it was when it hit its all-time high of $3. So what is in store for Cardano? Can it reach such heights again, or possibly even surpass them? Or is the best over for Cardano? Of course, nothing is certain, especially in the crypto world. However, we can always look at the views of experts in order to decide the future potential of a given asset, and there's no better person to turn to advice than Elon Musk. He is commonly regarded as a genius who can spot opportunities before anyone else. So let's have a look at what Musk has to say about the cryptocurrency and his warning to ADA holders in particular. Elon Musk's relationship with cryptocurrency came into focus in February 2021, when Tesla disclosed that it made a $1.5 billion investment in Bitcoin. Shortly afterwards, Musk announced that Bitcoin would be accepted as payment for Tesla vehicles, causing Bitcoin prices to soar to record heights, reaching $61,742 on March 13th. However, Musk reversed his position 2 months later, stating that Tesla would no longer accept Bitcoin, citing environmental concerns. There's also been pushback from Tesla investors and stakeholders who had been opposed to Elon Musk's initial announcement due to the high environmental costs of Bitcoin mining. Musk appeared to have given into the pressure, possibly fearing the damage of the prospect of energy-intensive cryptocurrency to buy electric vehicles would do to his environmentally friendly image. On Twitter, he announced Tesla has suspended vehicle purchases using Bitcoin. We are concerned with the rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions, especially coal, which has the worst emission of any fuel. He went on to say that cryptocurrency is a good idea on many levels, and we do believe it has a promising future, but this cannot come at a great cost to the environment. Tesla will not be selling any Bitcoin, and we intend to use it for transactions as soon as possible. We are also looking at other cryptocurrencies that have less than 1% of Bitcoin's energy/transaction. In fact, the high environmental cost of generating the huge amount of electricity needed to mine Bitcoin has come under increasing scrutiny, and has affected the crypto industry as a whole. Bitcoin miners have attempted to address the concerns by trying to use more renewable energy, but most mining continues to use fossil fuels, resulting in environmental pollution. Elon Musk also has an important warning for cryptocurrency investors, including ADA holders. He tweeted, as I've said before, "Don't bet the farm on crypto. True value is building products and providing services to your fellow human beings, not money in any form." But this wasn't the big warning for Cardano. Musk seems to be suggesting that investors should not pour all their money into crypto coins, which, given how volatile the market is, makes perfect sense. It is easy to become starry-eyed over get-rich-quick investor stories. Yes, there is the potential for plenty of money to be made through crypto investing, but you would be unwise to invest entirely in cryptocurrency, and you'd run the risk of losing all of your money. But that's not to say that Musk himself doesn't have any cryptocurrency, as he has admitted to owning some crypto coins, and Tesla has made sizable purchases of Bitcoin. However, he does seem to be offering some prudent financial advice that is very relevant for all crypto investors. As Amontis used to say, don't put all your eggs in one basket. And now Bitcoin is a Cardano competitor, and we perhaps have to take what Hoskinson has to say with a grain of salt. However, the issue that he cited has been acknowledged by an independent observer. However, the most serious issue is the lack of energy efficiency, which has concerned many cryptocurrency investors, Elon Musk included. In fact, the major warning that Elon Musk tweeted occurred when Charles Hoskinson got in touch with him, and he and Hoskinson went back and forth on Twitter. Hoskinson suggested that Musk should use Cardano as payments for Tesla, but Musk turned him down on the offer, which should serve as a warning to ADA holders. Musk's warning to cryptocurrency holders also has another component, namely the lack of utility in many crypto coins. Musk seems to be suggesting that to be truly valuable, any asset, including digital ones, should have real-world value. It is possible for those who follow Elon Musk's tweets and actions to conclude that the famous businessman is suggesting two important measures to gauge the value and propensity of a cryptocurrency, namely its energy efficiency and real-world utility. One of the biggest advantages that cryptocurrencies such as Cardano has over Bitcoin is the fact that they use far more energy-efficient proof-of-stake protocols as opposed to the proof-of-work protocols implemented by Bitcoin. That means that Cardano is far more environmentally friendly, a fact that was highlighted by Charles Hoskinson when he suggested that Tesla should start accepting ADA instead. Describing ADA as one of the greenest and most eco-friendly digital assets, Hoskinson said he believed that Cardano should be the first choice for Tesla. In a podcast, he expanded on why Tesla should choose Cardano. He said, "Well, if they truly care about alternative energy, sustainability, carbon reduction, and carbon neutrality, you can't be in a system where there's no built-in mechanism to constrain the energy consumption. You know, with proof of stake, energy consumption is a negative. You want to minimize it." He also conceded that there was some truth to the argument that Bitcoin could use otherwise wasted energy for mining. He argued that Tesla should focus on the greenest cryptocurrency, unless it could be proven that the use of Bitcoin would lead to a proliferation of solar and wind energy. In other interviews, Hoskinson estimated that Cardano was 1.6 million times more efficient than Bitcoin. He went on to describe Bitcoin as the least programmable cryptocurrency and compared Bitcoin to a washed-up high school football star with a beer belly. He went on to say, "You have extremely long sentiment time. You have extremely low programmability. It is not aware of any other system. There is no native way of issuing an asset. You can't do anything that is interesting or unique." He then went on to say that the only reason Bitcoin still enjoys flagship status is because of all the money invested in it. Musk himself has said that he will only be focusing on crypto coins that have less than 1% of Bitcoin's energy cost. In that sense, Cardano is a perfect candidate for Musk's consideration. He's not made any formal announcements regarding the use of ADA for Tesla transactions, but in all probability, he and his team must be considering it given Cardano's green credentials. Another fact that will work in Cardano's favor is the real-world utility. Hoskinson has been pushing to make Cardano more relevant and useful to people throughout the world. Cardano has been expanding into Africa and is being used by the Ethiopian government to provide digital identities to students. It's an important first step in helping millions of people in Africa who've been locked out of traditional banking systems. Musk himself has cited the decentralized finance offered by cryptocurrency as a key part of its appeal. Cardano has been partnering with Dish Network to provide digital identities to subscribers. With Cardano hard at work at creating more partnerships, we will, in all probability, see more projects that will see blockchain technology being used to make a difference in people's lives. All this points to the fact that Cardano could well land a partnership with Tesla in the future. If that does happen, ADA could really take off, although prospective investors should keep in mind Musk's warning about not betting the whole farm on cryptocurrency. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and click on one of these two videos on your screen. See you there.